How to change passcode on Exness. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change passcode on Exness. To do so, first of all, open your Exness application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the profile icon. Tap on it and in this profile page, here you will need to tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to the settings page. Here under security, you'll be able to see the option change passcode. Now you'll need to tap on this option and then here first of all you will need to enter your existing passcode. If you don't remember your existing passcode, you will not be able to change it. After entering the passcode, now you will need to set up a new passcode. Once after entering the new passcode, again enter the same passcode in order to confirm. After that, scan your fingerprint and then you will see you have successfully changed your passcode. Now you will need to use this newly updated passcode in order to access your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to change passcode on Exness. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.